Top 10 Facts about Lemurs. Lemurs are mammals of the order Primates, divided into 8 families and consisting of 15 genera and around 100 existing species. They are native only to the island of Madagascar. Most existing lemurs are small, have a pointed snout, large eyes, and a long tail. They chiefly live in trees, and are active at night. Interesting lemur facts. Number 10. Madagascar is their only home. The way that kicks us off is their home. The island of Madagascar is the main environment for the all-out lemur creature populace on the planet. This island is found 250 miles off the shore of Africa. Some have built up a characteristic home close by in the Comoro Islands, which are a volcanic gathering of islands. 40 million years prior, they went here on skimming leaf vegetation and adjusted to a lemur Madagascar world without predators. Number 9. Lemur heights range between 2.5 inches and 2.5 feet tall. How large is a lemur? Realities state that before chasing clear them off the land, lemurs the size of gorillas known as Megalodapia meandered the curious island of Madagascar. The following best Goliath lemurs are the Indri, which can be as tall as 2.5 feet as indicated by the realities. A child lemur is reliant on its mom for food. Number 8. Their groups are run by females. Realities, for example, these are experimentally demonstrated over extensive stretches of perception. The focal point of their general public is a female head who meets people's high expectations of coordinating a social gathering. This happens once in a while in warm-blooded animals, where male predominance remains as the realities of nature. Lemur females give indications of unadulterated predominance in the manner they mark their regions inside the gathering. Another reality is that they grab food away from the guys, show them out of resting spots, and show genuine physical animosity. These realities are established by the way that they don't eat before the females have had their fill. Contingent upon what number of lemur species are there, the social dynamic is kept up all through the island. Number 7. Lemur means detestable spirit of the dead in Latin. The historical background of the name goes back to the Lemuria celebration in Rome, where lemurs, underhanded spirits of the dead, were pursued away by slamming bronze pots. Insane realities about local people are that they accept creatures to be their predecessors because of their vocal cries and nighttime practices. Different realities answer the topic of what does a lemur resembles, and for the most part they have human-like attributes and spooky countenances. Number 6. Lemurs are incredible pollinators. Realities about the rough lemurs are interesting, particularly since they are the world's most huge pollinators. They generally get dust on their hide as they search out products of the soil and accordingly fertilize different plants along these lines. Palm trees and hardwoods rely completely upon these warm-blooded creatures. Number 5. They can achieve celebrity status. At whatever point creatures gain proficiency with another aptitude, ideally a troublesome one, they quickly become increasingly observable inside their gathering. A portion of the lemur realities bolster this primate conduct. The more consideration they get, the more affiliative extra focuses they win. These realities of friendship incorporate preparing, organization, and contact, which they don't really need to respond because of their commended achievement. Number 4. Indris sing in groups. Indris is the oddly skilled a cappella gathering of the set of all animals. The guys and the females sing. They do this by synchronizing while the more youthful creatures sing out of sync to get acknowledgement. Amazing certainty, isn't that so? Number 3. They are the only other primates with blue eyes. Primates have an assortment of eye shapes and hues, including the large pear-toed lemur. However, blue irises are an uncommon component in well-evolved creatures. The main vertebrates that have blue eyes are individuals and blue-looked at dark lemurs called Sclater's lemurs. Yet, their risk is as yet an approaching danger. They have lost up to 80% of their characteristic home in only 20 years. Number 2. Smell fights help resolve contention among them. Particularly during the reproducing season, a few realities become visible, and these incorporate the smell battles by ring-followed lemurs. With aroma organs in their ribs and shoulders, they produce an impactful scent that is short-enduring. The contest is interceded just when one surrenders as they float the solid sense into one another's appearances with their tails. Number 1. Lovably intelligent. The last actuality is about their knowledge. The Sifaka lemurs are shockingly extraordinary communicators. They use signals and pitch inflections, chuckles, and cries to send various messages. Others snarl, bark, yowl, and utilize an alternate blend of fragrances. They additionally have indicated distinctive humanoid characters like timidity and forcefulness.